How to add a search bar in WordPress. Now let's say I want to add a search bar right here in my website. So what you want to do is go to Appearance, go to the editor, click this edit button right here, click this box, click add, browse all, go to the patterns and search, and then click it, and there you go, place it right there. Do that, and there you go, click save. Now when I go to the website, it's gonna have the search bar. And there you go, that's how to add a search bar in WordPress. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and as always, see you in the next video.